my channel. Unless you're new here, it's so nice to meet you. My name is Lyss. If you would like to become a part of our internet family, make sure to hit the subscribe button below. I would love to have you here, and I know everyone else would love to have you here as well. For today's video, I'm sharing with you 90s hairstyles inspired by the one, the only, my spirit animal, the love of my life, Phoebe Buffay. Buffay. I don't, because it's not like buffet, like a place you eat. If you guys watch Friends, then you know the beautiful, the one and only Phoebes. I am a Monica with a dash of Phoebes, and so I'm just like, I owe her this video. We're doing Phoebe hairstyles, 90s hairstyles. 90s is like always coming back with their random trends, the makeup, the hair, everything. Everyone loves the 90s, so I'm like really proud to be a 90s baby. Like, frick yeah, man. Anyway, so I'm super excited about this video. Let's just get into it. The sun went behind the clouds, and it'll come back. come back, I have to do my outro. Did you guys like this video? I hope you did. Thank you so much for watching. What would you like to see next? I was thinking maybe like a Spice Girls inspired hair tutorial, maybe Lizzie McGuire. The lighting's changing again, the sun. You let me know. I love you guys so very much. I'm coming back with more hair tutorials, don't you worry. I'm thinking about doing like Hairstyles Saturday. So every Saturday you get a hair video, and then Tuesdays and Thursdays you get a mix of something else. So you let me know what you think. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.